Hello everyone and welcome back to Crypto Uncovered. This is Antonio and today we will help you figure out how much should you invest in crypto. If you watch our other videos, we explained basic concepts around crypto and covered how to start investing. Today, the video will be helping you think about your investments and how to allocate it into different assets, including crypto. This video is intended to help you with the very basics of portfolio building and give you some concepts to think about. We do not offer financial advice. Do your research before you invest and take your own decisions. Alright, so in order to start thinking about how much to invest in crypto, we need to talk a little bit about portfolio building, which extends way beyond crypto. And in simple terms, it is spreading your eggs in different baskets to reduce your risk and have greater potential returns in the future. In the basic sense, that's all there is to it. When you think about your investments, you should do a reflection about how much risk you're willing to take. And if you're on this episode about crypto, I guess you're ready to take a lot more risk. But after you reflect about how much risk you're willing to take, you should try in an ideal world to allocate different percentages of your capital into different asset classes. I like to think of investments in two broad categories to make it simple. One is variable income, or investments that do not give you a fixed return. These include stocks, crypto, funds, ETFs, and many more. And the other is fixed income, which most people are accustomed to. These are assets that will give you a fixed return or some percentage per year or on maturity, and includes your savings accounts, some bonds, and fixed deposits. They all play a role in your financial goals being achieved. Variable income has its risks, and therefore, as people get older or closer to retirement, they prefer to shift into fixed income to guarantee their retirement income. A popular asset allocation rule that advocates for the shift from the variable income into fixed income as you get older is the 100 minus your age rule. So let's say you're 30 years old, which is 100 minus 30, leaving you 70% of your asset allocation to be invested in variable income, because they tend to perform better in the long run and you have time to wait out the different market cycles. But as you get older, you should be looking into safer options and shifting away from variable income into fixed income. So let's say you turn 60. So the rule will be advocating for you to put 40% of your investment allocation into variable income and shifting to 60% into fixed income. Regardless of your age, it's always good to have an emergency fund for those hard to foresee events. 6 months worth of expenses is a rule of thumb, but do whatever makes you feel comfortable. Okay, so enough with this financial blah blah blah. How much should I invest in crypto, you might be thinking? Now, if you gave some thought on how much you want to invest in riskier assets or variable income, you can allocate some portion of that into crypto. Or, if you're like me and you do not like to think too hard on these things, an amount that if you lost today, you will not change your lifestyle, leave you in debt, or in any hardship, would be a good amount to invest in crypto. The crypto market should be part of an investment plan with set goals and targets. Although it is tempting to think your money might double or quadruple quickly, and I certainly do hope so, but no one really knows and it might not happen. So as with any other investment, the larger return, the larger the risk. And you should enter crypto prepared to stay in for the long haul. Once you figure out how much you want to invest and you want to get started into crypto, it is good to test the waters first with small amounts. See how it all works and then see if the market it is for you or not. Also, think of buying different crypto projects. It might help you increase the chance of picking that one project that might just take off. Alright, so we hope we helped you get some ideas on how much to invest in crypto. Remember, the content is not financial advice and you need to decide for yourself. At the end of the day, it is your money. But if you like the content, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It helps other people like you to watch the content. And don't forget to subscribe so you can see our new content every time it is released. And I see you on the next video.